Hey guys, welcome back. This is Leena. How are you guys doing? I hope you guys are doing really well. So a lot of people ask me, what kind of diet do you do? How much water do you drink? And I was like, how much water do you drink? It's a really nice question. So I thought I'll come here and do a video with you. So this is about do's and don'ts of drinking water. I am not a professional or anything, but this is what I do. So I thought I'll come and share it with you guys. So let's start. So guys, I follow Ayurveda and you've seen my videos earlier also. So here are the 5 things that you need to keep in mind while drinking water. So let's start. So the first one is drink purified water. It's really important. It will be good for your health also. And the second one is always make sure that you're sitting and drinking water. Don't drink water when you're standing. It's not good for your digestion, so it's not good. Always make sure that you sit and drink water. My nanny used to tell me that बैठ के पानी पीने तो घुटने में दर्द हो जाएगा. So I used to think ये क्या है? But now I got to know it's not literally like घुटने में दर्द हो जाएगा, but it's good. It's not good for your digestion. So sit down and drink water. And the third thing is you need to sip water throughout the day. So don't gulp it down and don't drink water really fast. That's also not good. So aram se you drink water. Take chotu sips and drink water. And the fourth one is make sure that you don't drink water in between your meals. So either you drink it before, half an hour before, or maybe about 40 minutes after you have your meals. What I usually do is I drink water half an hour before. I drink a lot of water half an hour before I eat my meals, because I think then I will eat a little less. So that's what I do. That's a little tip from me. That's what I've been following and it worked for me. So that's what I do. And the next one is drink water when you're thirsty. So it actually depends on person to person. So Ayurveda, it says that everybody is different. So some of y'all might need more water, some of y'all might need less water. So always drink water when you're thirsty. Your body tells you that you need to drink water. And very important tip is check your urine. Okay, if it's like a darker color or something, then you're definitely dehydrated. So make sure that you check that. If your urine is clear, means that you're quite well hydrated. So that's another tip. So these were a few tips. So as I told you, don't drink water katakat fast. Aram se piyo. Sit down and drink water. Half an hour before your meals you drink water. And while you're eating, if you're thirsty, you can drink buttermilk, neem pani or something. And drink water when you're thirsty. During summer, of course, you will feel thirsty and you will drink more water. So your body tells you when you want to drink water. Please check your urine. If it's like a yellowish color or something, then you're dehydrated. So you need to drink water. So if your urine is clear, you're very well hydrated, no problem. And also when your lips are too dry, you're dehydrated. So drink water. And nowadays they say कि 3 liter पी लो, 4 liter पी लो. I think it's crazy. How can you sit and drink so much water? You'll keep peeing all the time. So I know I've done this before, and I heard कि 3 liter पानी पीना चाहिए, 4 liters. So I used to drink so much water earlier, but now I've cut it down. 2 liters is good enough for me, for my body. So you study your body, you will know how it's reacting. Okay, if your skin is not very clear, start drinking more water. Check. You will get to know. So try all these things and let me know. And if you have any more tips, even if you think I've gone wrong somewhere, I need to correct myself or something, please let me know. I'm here to learn. And if there's anything else, do let me know. And follow me on Instagram. My Instagram account is Leena Gowda Official. And I will see you soon, guys. Bye.